All right, happy Wednesday, fourth graders. So today we're continuing our journey with the metric system, and we're going to be focusing on mass today. So mass is the amount of matter an object has. The mass of an object is not affected by gravity. However, an object's weight differs depending on gravity. We're going to be looking at mass today. So 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. We're going to use these everyday objects to help us estimate the mass of objects. So a gram, the mass of a penny is about 1 gram. I also like to think of it as like a large paperclip is about a gram. A kilogram, the mass of 6 medium apples is about a kilogram. So 1,000 grams or 1,000 pennies is about the mass of 1 kilogram or 6 medium apples. So throughout this presentation, I'm going to keep referring to these objects to help us estimate. Is it more reasonable to say that a rabbit's mass is 3 grams or 3 kilograms? So 3 grams, 3 pennies would be a very light rabbit. And about, let's see, 18 apples, that seems about a reasonable estimate for a bunny. So my answer is 3 kilograms. And the abbreviation for kilograms is kg, lowercase. So I'm going to circle the most reasonable estimate for each mass. All right, remember, gram is a penny, kilogram is 6 apples. So would a hat be 25 pennies or holy cow, that's a whole lot of apples? So I know that a baseball cap isn't even a kilogram because if you had the weight of 6 apples on your head, you'd probably have a headache. So 25 grams makes more sense, especially because it's a lighter object. Now, for the polar bear, I really can just knock off grams right away because you wouldn't use grams for a polar bear. That is a very big bear. So I'm going to say that it's about 450 kilograms. It's a big boy. Circle the more reasonable estimate for each mass. So 1,500 grams or 1,500 kilograms. Grams does not make sense for a heavier object. So we're going to use kilograms. Now, a golf ball, 5 grams or 5 kilograms. If you've ever held a golf ball or watched golf balls are very light. Otherwise, they wouldn't go as far. So it's 5 grams. A granola bar, smaller object. So I'm going to use the smaller measurement, 3 grams. And a dog, 14 grams or 14 kilograms. Now, dogs can either be big or small. This is like a medium-sized dog, but no matter big or small, there's no way a dog could weigh 14 pennies. I don't even know if that's possible even for the smallest dog. So I'm going to go with 14 kilograms. Your classwork today is to choose the best estimate for each object. Then here, you're going to complete the table by writing a reasonable unit of mass, grams or kilograms for each object. You do not have to write the full word. You just have to write G or kg. G for gram, kg for kilogram. Then you have some vocabulary that you have to match and a multiple choice question. The key word for today is fin. If you need help with your classwork, please type fin in the private comments.